Welcome back everybody to Ladybug Lane Soaps, and this is Margie, and thank you so much for joining me. I just want to thank everybody so much who has subscribed to my channel in this past month, because a few days ago I finally went over 6,000 subscribers, and so I just want to thank everybody from the bottom of my heart who subscribed. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and I will be doing a giveaway very, very shortly of either one or two of my romance novels. And so today I'm going to be doing, hope you can see that there, where'd it go? Oh, it's the fragrance called Bourbon Street. And that's what it looks like, and it does discolor to kind of a nice light tan, and it's very much a manly scent. Oop, gotta change that. And it's very, very nice. When you first smell it in the bottle, it's almost like somebody from a bar is kind of like blowing smoke into your face. So, you know, so it's kind of really odd when you first use it, but after it goes through the curing from maybe like about after 2 weeks, then it starts mellowing out and you can really smell the sandalwood, and it's very, very nice. So today I'm going to be using the color of the Nocturnal right there from Nurture Soap. And nope, that's the, and then the Copper Penny. And let's see, and I'll be probably using my some titanium dioxide. Here's 2 ounces of organic coconut milk, and I'm using my these. They're more longer than tall. I bought these off of Amazon, and I will post the link to them. I think I can get about, is it 12 bars? 12 1-inch bars out of these. And you do need to use sodium lactate in your lye solution, because if you don't, as I found out, they will stick and they will not come out. So I usually put in, and let me show you. I just bought this off of Amazon, and this was the best. Let me come around. This was the best deal that I could find on the Amazon Prime. Per ounce. This was the best deal. This is 32 ounces, and the company is called Traverse Bay Bath and Body. And I forgot how much this was, but I, in the description, I left the link to that with all the other goodies I'm using. So yeah, so I put in about a teaspoon of the sodium lactate for every pound of oils. So, all right, let's get going here. Okay, so I need to let everybody know what's going on in Washington State here. You know what? Maybe I'll put the, no. We have had so many deaths due to the coronavirus. And it mainly started in this nursing home up in Kirkland, which is way north of us, down here in Auburn. Where's my dilly bob here? And so somebody, maybe some visitor or employee visited China or another country who, where the virus started. And I think they are up to like, is it 37 deaths there? I mean, it's just awful. So many companies like Microsoft and Amazon, you know, they have told their employees just to stay home. I mean, they are serious. And so my husband, he works for a big company. I shouldn't mention it, but so they have told him that he absolutely positively needs to work from home. So it's been kind of a little adjustment. I mean, it's nice, you know, but if you're used to being at home like I am, you kind of have to figure out your priorities, and there's really no good place for him to work, so he's working kind of in our dining room / soaping room, and then he uses my soaping table for a second desk, and so I can't be making a lot of noise in the house because he's making a lot of, you know, calls and working virtual. So, but anyway, so this is the weekend, which means that I get to do my soaping. So yeah, okay, I guess let me do this. But you know, such is life. My husband's job is safe, but I know that there's so many other companies, you know, your hotels, your restaurants, all these little mom and pop shops, and you know, they depend upon customers. And in our state, there is a ban of that you cannot gather if there's more than 250 people. And so, you know, the thought is that less that people are exposed to the virus, then it won't be spreading as fast. So, yeah, it's always something. Always something. Yeah, but I just pray for all of these, you know, elderly that's up in this nursing home, like I say, up in Kirkland, Washington. I mean, they can't leave. Their families cannot come in and see them. It's just a mess. Just a mess. Out of there. These guys still look a little runny. You know, I have a lot. I think I made way too much of the copper. Shoot. Oh well, oh well. let's finish this baby. Okay, gang, so I got a funny little story to tell you. Just because the world needs a little bit of humor right now. So, growing up, our family lived out in Maple Valley, or Hobart, I should say, in Washington, on a 20-acre farm. And one of the best childhoods ever. And so every Sunday, we'd all be packed into our station wagon, because there's 7 kids in our family, 6 girls and 1 brother. And so we would go down this one road. It was called the roller coaster road. And I mean, it had a lot of, you know, up and downs, and it wasn't too much fun if you were always getting car sick, like I did, and probably my twin sister Kathy. And but it was kind of funny, because our station wagon, or one of many station wagons we had, what would happen is we would always drive by this farm that had a whole bunch of cows in it. And our station wagon, it would go kind of like, you know, down one hill, up another hill, and then once it kind of got up and over this hill, the car would backfire, and it would just let out this huge, I don't know, pop or something. It wasn't like an explosion noise, but it was just kind of this big, loud noise, and all of the cows would just take off running, and their tails were up and everything, and it was so funny, so funny. I mean, my dad, he would do that every single Sunday. It was just the funniest thing. So I don't know. We had fun. We had fun. I don't know if it was too fun for those cows, especially since they were milking cows. Oh my gosh, the farmer was probably mad at us all the time for disturbing his cows. Oh well, I'm sure they got over it. Oh dear, we were funny. We were funny. Alrighty. Well, I'm not quite sure how this is all going to come out. Seems like I never know what I'm doing, but you guys know me. I show up to the party and I have fun. I have fun, and that's what soap making is all about. Or, you know, or anything that you're doing. You just gotta have fun. Oh, and speaking about kind of finding other things to do while your spouse is working virtual from home because of the coronavirus. Now, I have not been working on my historical romance story, Nellie Bishop. So I was talking about, okay, how do I want to do this? I never know what to do with Guy soap. Yeah, so I have been getting back to my story, saying hello to all my little characters who I haven't talked to for quite a while. They're probably thinking, thank you, lady, you created us, now you've abandoned us. Oh my gosh. Yep, so I just need to get that story done and get it self-published. But talking about that, gang, so like I mentioned, every time that I get 500 more subscribers, I give away either one or both of my books that I have written. And, you know, if you're, I mean, I love to get my books out there into the hands of people. But like I actually subscribe to my channel. You know, you just can't leave a cute little comment. You got to subscribe to the channel. So, all right. Well, I don't know if that's okay for the guys, but it will have to do. It will have to do, little pig. So, alright gang, the next time you see me, I'll be cutting this baby. Alright.